Yeah, don't you like what you are looking at right now? If you like it and you want to know how to get it done, then you're in the right place. Hello everyone, this is your again, Lawyer Chef. Today we are going to make one of Nigerian delicacies again. We are making Dodo Gizzard, and these are the ingredients we are using to prepare the meal for the day. So this is our gizzard. It has been pre-seasoned and cooked, and then we have this is our seasoning we're going to use as well. We have ground stockfish, ground herring fish, ground crayfish. We have garlic and ginger, blended one, freshly blended. We have our turmeric, and we have our pink salt. Then we have chicken flavored Maggi. You can use any seasoning of your choice. Then we have the oil. Instead of using palm oil today, as usual, we are using our rapeseed oil. Then we have our plantains. We are using ripe plantains. We have 4 pieces that has been diced. Then we have our peppers. We have green peppers. It's been diced. We have red peppers. We have orange colored pepper. We have yellow colored one. Then we have these are organic onions as well. Then we have habanero. It's been diced as well. So this is what we're gonna use. Okay. So see you in a bit. The gizzard has been grilled. So it's either you fry your gizzard or you grill it. So we need to now fry our plantains. The plantain has been diced, and then you can see that we have the fry pan on the stove already. This is the oil I use to do my frying. So is a rapeseed oil. So we are going to carry on with frying our dodo now. I'm going to put some onions just to give some aroma. So we are going to add the diced plantain, ripe plantain into the oil. So you reduce the heat. So when you get that golden color, you start taking them out of the frying oil. Yeah. Yeah. So we're done with dodo now. We're about to make our sauce now. I'm going to take a little out of the oil used for frying dodo to make my sauce. Just a little we do. So we're going to add our diced onions. This is white onions. Yeah, I'm also adding my paste, garlic and ginger paste. We have two tablespoons in already. Stir together on the medium heat. Then you add your habanero, diced habanero, and diced pepper. Yeah, it is beautiful. You might also blend the whole thing together, your habanero, your onions, and the red bell pepper. But I just prepare it this way. I don't want to be soggy. So I still want the dodo to maintain the crunchy bites. So that's why we're doing it this way. So I'm gonna add my seasoning now. So I'll reduce the heat again to the bare minimum. So I'm going to add crayfish Maggi. You can use any flavor of Maggi or any seasoning of your choice. So I'm also adding turmeric, just for the color. Like adding grounded or blended crayfish or ground crayfish, a mixture of dry fish. So I'm going to have, you can see the color, that's what I mean. When you have the turmeric, that's the way of giving it beautiful color. So I'm going to have the airy fish, just a tablespoon. Crayfish, a tablespoon. Stockfish, a tablespoon. Salt, just a little, in my hand little. And after we've tasted, then we can add more sauce later. We'll combine the whole thing together. We stir thoroughly. I've told you that the gizzard has been grilled already. Okay, we're using chicken gizzard, or you can use turkey gizzard as well. Okay, but we are using chicken gizzard today. You can get gizzard in your African shop. Okay, so just you leave it for a minute or two for the seasoning to get into the pepper and the onions. Then you now add your gizzard, your green or fried. If you want to fry it, you can fry if you prefer fried method. But this is a grilled one. Okay, this one we're going to add into it later. Alright, I'm going to test for salt now. Okay, now you're going to try for us. It's fine. So we are adding, let's try it now. Okay. Okay, soak in the flavor. Okay, you cover with the sauce. You cover your gizzard with the sauce. On the low heat so that the sauce can get into the gizzard. Okay, on that low heat, the gizzard will taste very, very well. It is even inside the meal on its own. It's looking very beautiful. We're gonna let it be on the heat for 35 minutes. It is on the very, very low heat. Alright, so we are going to add our fried plantains, our dodo now. You can cut your gizzard into small sizes for bites. Well, I'm going on a bigger one today. So I want to see the gizzard, I want to see everything. We combine thoroughly so that the sauce can get into the dodo as well. So it's time to add our diced bell pepper. You can see the beauty that the bell pepper has added to our Dodo and Gizzards. Make it look pretty and irresistible. You just love it by all these colors. You have some onions as well. For the type that wants your Dodo sauce, you can have some meat stock or chicken stock. So we add a little bit on there. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So this is our Dodo Gizzards. This is Nigerian Dodo Gizzards. You can eat with white rice, or you can also use as a side for jollof rice. Or you can just eat like that. It's a complete meal on its own, and it's very, 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 very nutritious. You can see the fat, you can see the protein. So that's all we have for you today. I hope you like it and you try it with your family. Thank you for your support always. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Please subscribe to our channel. Give it a thumbs up. Please support your girl. Support Loyal Chef. Please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and share with your loved ones. Thank you so much for your love. I'm grateful. Bring your plates. Bring your plates. I'm gonna dish right now. Bring your plates. Bring your plates. Alright? See you in my next video. Thank you.